dear parents and students. I, Miss Aarti Singh, class teacher of your ward of class 2nd, welcome you. Today's date is July 20, 2020, that is Monday. I hope students आप सब अपने घर में safe and सुरक्षित होंगे. Student, in previous class we have done cuboid and cube. Both are same ages, same vertex and same faces. मैंने आपको उन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस भी बताए थे कि हम कैसे क्यूबॉइड और क्यूब को रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं. क्यूबॉइड के एग्जांपल्स हैं हमारे पेंसिल बॉक्स, ब्रिक एंड क्यूब. यस टेल मी. यस, डाइस एंड व्हाट अनदर gift box. So these are the example of cube and cuboid. Now you can easily differentiate between the objective of cube and cuboid. Now in today's class we move to our next solid figures, that is cylinder, cone and sphere. So are you ready with your book, notebook and stationery? I hope you all are having your book and notebooks. And those who don't have their book and notebooks, I request to you, please go to school and purchase your book and notebook. So first open your book. Chapter number 5, page number 119, that is 119. We have done cuboid and cube. Then next, cylinder. Everyone see in the book. There is a picture of cylinder. Yes, a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and no corners. One face of cylinder is a curved surface and 2 faces are plane surface. Objects having a cylindrical shape are called cylindrical objects. Now I will show you how. See, this is a cylindrical shape. आपके घर पे जो सिलेंडर आता है बेटा, वो भी cylindrical shape ही है. See, this is, मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि एक इसका curved surface है, so this is one curved surface. 2 faces are plane, so this and this are plane, and this is the edges, and it has no corners. और इसका हमारे पास कोई भी corner नहीं है. Now move to your notebook. अब हम notebook में काम start करेंगे. So first what we have in notebook, we have to draw the format. So first sharpen your pencil, take out scale and then draw with me. July 20, 2020, that is Monday, left side. Then in the middle, chapter 5 shapes, cylinder, sphere and cone and class work. Now I will show you how we write in notebook also. July 20, 2020, Monday, chapter 5 shapes, cylinder, sphere, cone and class work. Okay. Now start, student. This is a picture of cylinder. See, जैसे मैंने आपको शो किया था, ये हमारे 2 प्लेन फेस है. दिस इज फेस, ये हमारा कर्व्ड फेस है. देन दिस 2 edges, 1 and 2, and there is no corners. Now start the work in notebook. First, cylinder. A cylinder has dash faces. How many faces cylinder has? 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write 3. Then a cylinder has नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग में आपने अपना वर्क करना है. डैश edges and dash corners. A cylinder has how many edges? 1 and 2. So we'll write 2 edges. And how many corners? No corners, because it has no corners. Then next, one face of a cylinder is a curved surface. ये है ना हमारा one face curved surface. Then two faces of a cylinder have plane surfaces. These one and these two. So two faces of a cylinder have plane surfaces. Now example. Now tell me the example. Yes, one is candle. आप सबने कैंडल देखी है. कैंडल आपको पता ही है. अगर आप देखेंगे तो कैंडल हमारी इस शेप में होती है, तो वो होती है हमारी सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में. देन नेक्स्ट है क्रियॉन्स, जिससे आप कलर करते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो इन cylindrical shape. So these are the features of cylindrical shape. Now I'll show you how we write in notebook also. First cylinder, then draw the shape of this with a pencil and scale. A cylinder has 3 faces. A cylinder has 2 edges and no corners. One face of a cylinder is a curved surface. 2 faces of a cylinder have plane surface. Example, candle and crayons. Now I'll show you. The more pictures of cylinder. See, these are in cylindrical shape. So I hope आपको समझ आया होगा ये. Now move to our next solid figure, that is sphere. Now students, our next solid figure, sphere. Now open your book again, page number 119, chapter 5. Sphere. See the picture. A sphere has one face, no corner and no edges. The face of a sphere is curved. Now I'll show you. This is the example of sphere. इसका कोई एज नहीं है, इसके कोई किनारे नहीं है, इसका फेस है, वन फेस है. ठीक है. The difference between in the circle and sphere, that is when we cut sphere into 2 parts, it's become semicircle. But अगर हम सर्कल को कट नहीं कर सकते, अगर हम करते भी हैं तो वो हमें सेमी सर्कल में नहीं मिलता। तो इसलिए हमारा जो डिफरेंस है वो यही है कि जो हमारा स्फेयर होता है वो थोड़ा सा कर्व्ड होता है। लाइक अगर आप देखें टोमेटो नीचे से थोड़ा सा कर्व्ड होता है ना, एंड वाटरमेलन दैट इज ऑल्सो इन कर्व शेप। नाउ स्टार्ट द वर्क इन नोटबुक। Second is sphere. Yes. A sphere has dash face. How many face? One face. स्टूडेंट आप अपनी पेंसिल को शॉर्प कर लेंगे एंड देन राइट द वर्क। A sphere has dash vertex and एजेस। तो क्या इसका कोई वर्टेक्स और एजेस है? नो, नहीं है ना, तो हम यहां लिख देंगे नो, नो वर्टेक्स एंड नो एज। A sphere has a curved surface. Now, example like globe. ग्लोब हमारा कर्व शेप में ही होता है। ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, this is a model of the earth. Then next is ball, which I'll show you, which I'll already show you. See, then another more shapes of sphere I'll show you and I'll tell you, that is tomato, watermelon, football, basketball. Now I'll show you the work in notebook also. Second, sphere. Draw the picture. A sphere has one face. A sphere has no vertex and edge. A sphere has a curved surface. Example, globe and ball. Now move to our third solid figure, that is cone. Now student, open your book again, page number 119, and the figure is cone. A cone has vertex, one edge and two faces. One face of a cone is curved surface and the other face is a plane surface. Now I'll show you how. See, this is the picture which you have shown in your book also, and I'll draw on board also. This is a vertex. I tell you, जब two lines join होती है तो वो हमारा vertex बनता है. Then this is curved surface and this is plane. See, plane, flat है, हम इसे रख सकते हैं. And this is edge. I hope you are understood. There are so many examples of cone like your ice cream cone, your birthday cap, joker cap. These are in cone shape also. Now start to write the work in notebook. So again sharpen your pencil and write with me. Third is cone. A cone has dash vertex, dash edge, and dash faces. Now see, one vertex, one edge, and two faces, right? One face of a cone is a curved, right? Curved surface, and other is and the other face is a, this is plane. Plane surface. Understood? Now example. Now you tell me the example which I tell you. Yes. Birthday cap. Now draw the picture of birthday cap. And the second is ice cream cone. See, now I'll show you the working notebook also. Cone, and draw the picture of cone. A cone has one vertex and one edge and two faces. One face of a cone is a curved surface and the other face is a plane surface. Example, birthday cap, ice cream, cone. Now I'll show you the more examples of cone. See, this is examples of cone. Yes. So student, I hope आप अब तक जो हमारी सॉलिड फिगर्स जो हैं उसमें अब आप कंपैरिजन कर पाए होंगे और आपको वो समझ भी आया होगा. डियर पेरेंट्स, आप डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाकर उनसे आइडेंटिफाई करा सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं ये सॉलिड है या प्लेन है, या ये क्यूबॉइड है, क्यूब है, सिलेंड्रिकल है, स्फीयर है या कोन है. एंड डियर पेरेंट्स, kindly click on the homework icon available on the school app for daily updates. In my next video, we will do true and false and fill-ups of chapter 5 shapes. So तब तक के लिए स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए, अपनी स्टडीज पे फोकस करिए, अपनी हेल्थ पे फोकस करिए और घर पे ही सुरक्षित रहिए. थैंक यू.